Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of August, 2024, our system has categorized Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of 0.4. Let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 0.97%. This results in an average return of 0.49% each day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend implies a potential change of approximately negative 6.96% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 14.11% to negative 0.43%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 31.58% over the next year, with potential returns varying between 27.43% and 53.35%. This would correspond to a price range from $531.57 to $639.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline, Microsoft stock price up nearly 1% on Friday. The Microsoft stock price increased by nearly 1% on the last trading day, specifically on Friday, the 30th of August, 2024, rising from $413.12 to $417.14. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.29%, with a low of $412.13 and a high of $417.45. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, although it remains down by 0.32% for the same period. The trading volume also increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 7 million more shares were traded than on the previous day, culminating in a total of 22 million shares bought and sold for approximately $9.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $468.35, while the lowest price recorded was $309.45. Currently, the price stands 10.93%, or $51.21, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft continues to strengthen its position in the technology landscape, remaining at the forefront due to its substantial investments in artificial intelligence. Recent discussions surrounding OpenAI, with rumors of Apple and NVIDIA also entering the fray, indicate an escalating competition for leadership in the AI sector. Microsoft has already committed a significant amount, totaling $13 billion to OpenAI, with indications that it may increase its investment as the startup approaches a new funding round that could value it at an impressive $100 billion. Additionally, Microsoft's strategic initiatives involve attracting talent from AI startups, which reduces the necessity for direct acquisitions. This strategy allows the company to effectively and efficiently expand its AI capabilities. Such moves could enhance Microsoft's offerings, giving it a competitive advantage over its rivals. In the short term, These developments may foster a positive sentiment around Microsoft stock, as investors respond favorably to its ongoing commitment to AI-driven growth. The long-term implications are even more significant. Should Microsoft successfully incorporate advanced AI technologies across its product range, it has the potential not only to increase its revenue streams, but also to draw in more enterprise customers, which would drive consistent stock performance. Overall, as Microsoft cements its presence in the AI sector, investors may perceive this as a key factor that could guide the company towards long-term growth and value enhancement in a swiftly evolving market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, August 28, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Microsoft a rating of overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, August 27, 2024, it was reported that Wolfe Research rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. On Friday, August 16, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital also rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 31, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a rating of buy with a hold action. On the same day, July 31, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 5.56%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been detected, and these may influence the near short-term development. The Microsoft stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average shows a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal for the stock, resulting in a more negative forecast. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $420.81. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $414.36. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have presented a buy signal 2 weeks ago. Bollinger Bands also signaled a buy opportunity 2 weeks ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal just 2 days ago. On the contrary, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal approximately 11 weeks ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal around 1 month ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average produced a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal approximately 3.5 weeks ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal about 2.5 weeks ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $415.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock typically experiences strong trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.32, which is an increase of 1.29% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.68%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively normal PE ratio, typically found in companies with long-standing histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.09. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft stands at $418.35. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $415.13. If this support level holds firm, it may present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of August, 2024, Nadella Satya conducted an insider sale of 7,199 shares of common stock. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. executed an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. made an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. performed an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. engaged in an insider purchase of 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 85.381. Overall, insiders purchased 14,177 shares and sold 210,336 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $401.37, representing a decrease of 3.78%. This stock experiences minimal daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 40 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Based on our analysis, it is advisable to consider it a hold candidate, meaning you can either hold or accumulate in this position while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, we anticipate that Microsoft will open down by $1.57, beginning trading at $415.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.